Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone, it's Abdul Azim and let's talk about today's top story, which is hearing on petition filed by the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind adjourned again. Now debate will be on October 8. Gulzar Ahmad E'azمی has become the plaintiff in the petition filed by the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind, in which the court's attention has been drawn to the 150 news channels and newspapers which have undermined the principles of journalism. Maulana Sayyid Arshad Madni, president of Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind, has taken a stand against TV channels and print media for deliberately conspiring to tarnish the image of Muslims, especially those belonging to the Tablighi Jamaat, by linking coronavirus to Nizamuddin. The petition filed on the direction of Maulana Arshad Madni was scheduled to be heard before a 3-member bench headed by the Chief Justice of India today. But again today, the Chief Justice of India adjourned the hearing. Earlier, the Chief Justice of India had adjourned hearing without hearing the case. Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde, Justice A.S. Papna and Justice V. Rana Subramaniam adjourned the hearing till October 8 without hearing the final arguments, including the petition of the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind. However, senior advocate Dashint Dove and advocate on record Ejaz Makbal were present for the discussion on the behalf of Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind. Gulzar Ahmad E'azمی has become the plaintiff in the petition filed by the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind, in which the court's attention has been drawn to the 150 news channels and newspapers which have undermined the principles of journalism, including News, India TV. First one is India TV, Z News, News Nation, Republic India, Republic TV and Sudarshan News Channel, and some other channels which had conspired to hurt the hearts of Muslims and national unity by violating the principles of journalism. A petition for action has been filed by the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind against them, and it should be noted that Maulana Arshad Madni, the president of Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind, has been of the view that action has to be taken against those who spread discord and hatred in the society, whether it be any media or any organization, because it spreads hatred in the society and poisons the society, which brings disgrace to the country and tarnishes the image of India in the world. That's why the Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind had filed a petition in the Supreme Court on April 6 seeking a ban on the unbridled media campaigning against the Tablighi Jamaat to preserve the status and the greatness of the democracy of India, and against the hateful media. Will continue to seek justice because it will not only be in favor of Jamiat Ulema-i-Hind or Tablighi Jamaat or Muslims. It will be better for the whole nation. So that's the story today. If you want me to speak on more topics, let me know in the comment section below. Like it, share it, subscribe it as much as you can. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Jazakallah khair.